Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about the transportation in human beings. So let's start with this. In this video we'll be talking about the blood. So let's start with the question, what is blood? It is the red color liquid which circulates in our body. This is red in color because of the pigment which is there in the blood, which is called hemoglobin. This hemoglobin carries oxygen and carbon dioxide in our body. Now let's talk about the components of blood. What is there in our blood? So the very first thing which is there in our blood is plasma. Plasma is a yellow color fluid. It contains 90% water. It contains proteins. It contains digested food. It contains common salt, which is the NaCl. It contains waste products such as carbon dioxide and urea, and it contains certain hormones. Now, second component of the blood is the lymph. Lymph is also known as tissue fluid because tissues are immersed in it. These are present in the intercellular space. Intercellular space means, suppose these are all the cells which we have and this tissue fluid is there in the spaces between the two cells. This lymph flows in the lymph vessels. It carries the digested and absorbed fat from the intestine. Digested and absorbed fats from the intestine. Now next components we'll be studying are the cells which are there in the blood. So next very important cell is the RBCs. These are the red blood cells. These are also known as erythrocytes. These are the cells which provide the red color to the cell. This particular cell carries oxygen. It carries oxygen from the lungs to all the parts of the body. It carries carbon dioxide from all the body tissues to the lungs. Their shape is, these are circular biconcave cells, biconcave shaped cells. These cells does not contain any nucleus. So there is no nucleus in these cells. Their lifespan is about 4 to 5 months. That is the reason they don't have any nucleus. Now next component of blood, the very next cell is the WBC. These are the white blood cells. These are also known as lymphocytes. These are also known as lymphocytes. These cells help in fighting the infections and protects us from the diseases. These cells also make the antibodies with infection. Now, next component of the blood is the platelets. Platelets help in the coagulation or clotting of the blood in the cut or the wound. So they help in the coagulation of, right. These are the 5 most important components of the blood. I hope you understand this.